Hi everyone! Today we are going to make Korean spicy rice cakes. This dish is very quick and easy to make. Now let's get started. You will need Korean gochujang, which is hot pepper paste, and Korean red chili powder. Also, 1 pound of frozen or fresh Korean rice cakes. If using frozen rice cakes, boil them for 2 minutes. Today I will use a fresh one so we can skip the step. First off, let's mince the garlic. Use the flat side of the knife to crush them. This makes the garlic easier to peel. Then slice, shred, and mince them. Now we'll cut the vegetables for mixture A: Korean green cabbage, onion, and green onion. First, slice the half onion. Cut the cabbage into squares. You will only need half of a small cabbage. You will also need 1 to 2 green onions, cut into 1-inch long pieces. Now mixture A, the vegetables, is ready. On to mixture B, the sauce. You will need 1 tablespoon of sugar and 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 cup of water, 4 to 6 tablespoons of gochujang, depending on how spicy you want to make it, and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, which is optional. Mix the ingredients together. Now we have finished the preparation for mixture A and mixture B. Let's get cooking. Heat a heavy bottomed pot with the heat on medium. Place mixture B in the pot and stir until it boils. Add the fresh or pre-cooked frozen rice cakes, stir and let them simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the rice cakes are fully cooked. Add mixture A, stirring occasionally, and cook them for about 1 to 2 minutes. If the mixture sticks to the bottom, add 1 tablespoon of water and continue stirring, making sure to scrape the bottom. Place the contents of the pot in a serving bowl and garnish with toasted sesame seeds. Enjoy! Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let us know down in the comment section.